PHA, PHA, PHA.
We are thankful to our star sponsors again, KARCHER, a global company providing state-of-art cleaning solution to partner with us for the National Convention. We have with us today from KARCHER India, Mr. Varun Handa, the Senior Business Development Manager. And before we invite him on stage, let's look at his profile.
PHA, 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 PHA.
Mr. Varun Handa. Mr. Varun Handa is a Senior Business Development Manager for Hospitality at KARCHER India, a leading provider of cleaning equipment and solutions. With over 12 years of experience in sales and business development, Varun is a seasoned professional with a deep understanding of the hospitality industry. Mr. Varun joined KARCHER India in 2022 and has since been responsible for driving sales and business development in the hospitality sector. He works closely with hotels, restaurants, and other hospitality establishments to understand their unique cleaning requirements and provide customized solutions that meet their needs. One of Mr. Varun's key strengths is his ability to build strong relationship with his clients. He takes a consultative approach to sales, working closely with the clients to understand their pain points and identify areas where KARCHER solutions can add value. He is known for his attention to detail and his ability to provide tailored solutions that meet each client's unique needs. Mr. Varun is also a skilled communicator and presenter. He has delivered numerous presentations and workshops on cleaning best practices and the benefits of using KARCHER solutions. His engaging presentation style and deep knowledge of the industry have helped him build strong relationships with clients and position KARCHER as trusted partner in the hospitality sector. Prior to joining KARCHER India, Varun worked for several other companies in the sales and business development space. He holds a BTech from University of Rajasthan and a master's degree in marketing from Amrita School of Business and Sophia University. In his free time, Varun enjoys reading books on sales and marketing, as well as traveling to new destinations. He is a passionate advocate for sustainable tourism and is always looking for ways to minimize the environmental impact of the hospitality industry. Overall, Mr. Varun Handa is a highly skilled business development manager with a deep understanding of the hospitality industry. His ability to build strong relationships with his clients, his consultative approach to sales, and his strong communication skills making a valuable asset to KARCHER India and the clients he serves. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands and welcome Varun Handa, Senior Business Development Manager for Hospitality at KARCHER India.
PHA, 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 PHA.
I call upon Mr. Varun Handa on stage for presentation on KARCHER India.
Thank you for the introduction and a very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, on behalf of KARCHER India, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, PFA, to give us such a wonderful opportunity to participate in this event. I mean, I must say so far the experience is very enriching. We have seen best of the industry practices. We've seen the most advancements and upcoming technologies in our industry. And over on top of that, this is an honor and privilege to be part of such an association, I would say. Many of you must have heard about KARCHER over the years, and then probably you know us for different cleaning solutions, but I would like to just give you an insight about our organization. KARCHER started back in 1935 in Germany by Mr. Alfred KARCHER by making the heating elements, and gradually in 1950 we shifted focus to cleaning equipment and started making the pressure washers, and with the evolution of our cleaning industry, we started participating in each and every cleaning solution, and then gradually we have the complete and the most accomplished portfolio globally. With the presence in almost 80 plus countries and with more than 3,000 product solutions and a global turnover of around 3.2 billion euros, we are proudly one of the biggest manufacturers in cleaning equipment industry. Our journey started in India with a channel partner back in 2000, where we entered in the market, and then later KARCHER started their own subsidiary in 2011. And it's been 12 years in the business. We've been catering to various sectors like industry, hospitality, facility management, automobile, agriculture as well as home and garden, which is a growing segment for us in India, and though it contributes around 35% of our global turnover. Since on this forum we are talking about hospitality solution, I would like to share a small video with you, just to give you an insight about our solutions, starting from the the preventive cleaning up to the deep cleaning. So if you can just play the video. let's go back to the presentation. Yeah. So let's talk about a few of the industry trends from the vendor perspective or the supplier perspective. I know we have spoken about the trends in hospitality industry. We have heard a lot of industry leaders, and then I would like to keep a perspective from the supplier side. We have spoken about the digitalization. We have spoken about AI and all the advancement in our industry. Ultimate goal is to achieve the productivity and efficiency improvement. And for that, KARCHER has a strong focus. Globally, we run a program of net cost of ownership across the segments, where we are not only talking about the initial assets, but also talking about optimizing the operational cost over the period of time. Here we are talking about the overall productivity and overall efficiency improvement. KARCHER has a strong focus and probably a strong belief in the consultative selling approach, and that's why we would like to get involved in every process and try to give you the best of the solution as per the industry standards. We have a very strong focus on sustainability, and it has been implemented at the organization level as well as at the product level. I'd be taking you through about that in the future slides. KARCHER has 2025 sustainability goals, and then there are a lot of initiatives we have taken for that. Last but not the least, the innovation, which is in the DNA of KARCHER. We've been coming up with most advanced solutions, cleaning solutions in industry. And it is not restricted at the product level, but also we are talking about the value innovation as we keep on improving the process in terms of cleaning, as well as trying to deliver the most compelling value proposition to our customers. Moving ahead, going sustainability in detail, as I said, that we have implemented that at the institutional level, at the organization level, and as well as at the product level. KARCHER has set up a few goals for 2025, and I am glad to share that in 2021 December, all our 21 manufacturing facilities globally are CO2 neutral. We have already achieved that goal, and this has been done through taking all the green initiative in all the facilities, and then this all has been regulated by the guidelines of GRI. So it's a very good achievement for us, I would say. At the same time, our packaging, we are also going away from the virgin plastic and then try to have more and more recyclable material utilized for the packaging as well. 95% of our machine parts are recyclable as well. We have even created a very high standard for our logistics, where in Europe, majority of our transportation vehicles are even EV or the CNG. Even in India, nowadays, we are using CNG vehicles for all local transportation as well as the demonstrations. There is another key initiative which KARCHER has taken back in 1980, where we are linked with the, I would say, UNESCO to maintain all the World Heritage sites. And so far, we have done the deep cleaning or the restoration of more than 150 monuments globally. And I would say that there are a few monuments which we are maintaining on a regular basis on every decade probably. And this is one of the CSR initiative of KARCHER, and we are doing that free of the cost. As we said that we have a consultative selling approach, and our consultants are involved in such critical job, but this is something we are trying to do to preserve the heritage globally. Moving ahead, the eco-efficiency, which is one of the sustainability initiative at the product level. This has been implemented across our range, starting from the vacuum cleaner, scrubber dryer, as well as the pressure washers, which helps you to have higher recyclability, less water consumption, accurate dosing, less noise, less energy consumption, as well as save time as well. As we have already seen in the video, that we have got the complete solution for the cleaning industry. Here I'm talking about in totality that any challenge you have on site, KARCHER has a solution. So idea is to do the value maintenance as well as the asset maintenance on any site in any hotel property. Going in detail, starting from the preventive cleaning, idea is to trap the dirt or stop the dirt before it enters the premises and damage the floors. We know the importance of entrance mat, where we would like to control the dust, and then we've got beautiful lobbies in our hotels, and we do not want to damage that. We would like to protect that. And our sweeper system is also doing the same. We have got the sweeper starting from the manual as well as it goes up to the ride-on sweepers. We've got the complete range, which helps you to control the dirt before it enters the premises and it can spread across. finally, I mean, it's all about creating that first impression and the lasting impression in the property. Moving toward the day-to-day cleaning applications, we've got almost everything which can be maintained in a hotel property, and then idea is to create the overall impression of cleanliness, and then the guests can feel that they are taken care in the environment. Again, idea is to lead to a better customer satisfaction. There is a specific program for the interim cleaning as well. There are proper solutions for that as well. And here we are going slightly deeper than the day-to-day cleaning. And the idea is again to maintain something which cannot be maintained with a daily cleaning. And the end goal for this is to reduce the frequency of deep cleaning. Last but not the least, the deep cleaning application. Restoration is close to our heart, especially the housekeeping fraternity I would talk about, because everybody would like to have the property at the same stage where you got that at the time of pre-opening. So you try your best to manage the property, try to restore the surface, the hard floors and the soft floor. And for that, KARCHER has got every sort of technology. And in the end, it leads to a feel-good factor and leads to the very, very safe and nice atmosphere. That's all on the solution part. I would like to take this opportunity due to this forum where, KARCHER has got best of the industry solutions. We encourage the housekeeping fraternity to approach us, and we rest assured that you've got best of the solution for your problem. I would also like to take an opportunity through this forum that KARCHER is evolving as a brand, and then from the cleaning equipment supplier, we are moving toward the total solution provider. Globally, we've got an association with the TTS. This is a very recent announcement by our global, and then we'd be supplying the manual tools of TTS globally. And very soon in India also, you will see the manual tools in our kitty. Most of you might not know us for the chemicals, though globally we've got a larger portfolio. In India, we already have around 24 SKUs, and we have been supplying that to the industry, which are even apt for the the housekeeping sector as well, for the day-to-day cleaning as well as the deep cleaning. So do reach us for any sort of requirement, and I'm sure that you will have the best of the solution with the consultative selling approach, and we'll give you the best of the solution for your problems. Thank you very much. That's all from our side. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Thank you.
May I request Ms. Jayashree to felicitate Mr. Handa?